Hey y'all, so since I started my wig business, I get a lot of women telling me that they don't wear wigs or don't know how to wear wigs even though they're really interested in trying. And the main reason for that being because they don't know how to apply them or don't feel like confident that they will be able to do it on their own at home. Don't mind how I'm looking. I just woke up. I woke up like this. I don't know how the fuck y'all wake up. I wake up like this, not with my wig cap on. I put my wig cap on for the purpose of this video. I use one that's close to my skin tone so that I don't have to use makeup. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to apply my glueless closure wigs. So I'm going to use the wig that we're going to be giving away in the raffle, just so that if there's anyone whoever wins it doesn't know how to apply it, they see firsthand how it looks and how easy it is for them to do themselves at home. So this is the wig. This is the unit right here. Excuse my lighting. Stitching on the inside. I made this wig by hand. If you can see on the inside, it's got an elastic band, which is to solidify the glueless portion or the glueless method of applying your wig. So this is the wig. I basically grab the elastic band. This is the closure. So I grab the elastic band. I'm literally holding it like this. I put my head right where I want the lace to lay. I pull the strap behind the back of my head like so. I lift my wig over, pull it down, adjust it, and I'm basically good to go. I'm gonna get my comb. I look rough, y'all. It's okay though. It's cool. So basically, you comb it out. You have all this different parting space. So if you want to braid it or style it, I bleach and pluck all my frontals so it looks like scalp. I plucked it so that it looks very natural in the front. And then all you'll do is basically cut the lace across. And you can wear your wig just like this. You can also use a little bit of hairspray or got-to-be glue or lace glue or whatever you like if you want to make your wig feel more secure, but it won't come off as it is. It's pretty firm. But I basically just wanted to come through and show you guys how my glueless closure wigs work, how easy they are to apply, and how beginner friendly they really are. And as you can see, the color job on this wig for the giveaway is so pretty. I love it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this wig and put it to the side for whoever is going to win it. But until then, good luck, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.